Hi there. Let's talk about longitudinal or frontal dovetail connections. How can you use it? You just need to click on the icon, select two of your elements you want to connect, and right after your second click, it opens a window where you can customize the tenon. You can set the offset, you can set the width, you can set the cone, or you can disable the cone so that it becomes straight. You can set the depth, of course, and also you can make it shorter, the tenon itself, I mean. And the interesting thing is that this tenon comes on the same side which sides you select before entering this window. As you can see, I selected the top planes of both my elements, and now the joint comes on the top of our elements. Of course, I can still rotate it by 180 degrees so it goes to the bottom, but you can keep it on the top as well. Or if you want, you can always put on the side and still rotate it. And that is the easiest way to use the longitudinal dovetail connection.